Seattle. I actually have showings and stuff today, so I'm gonna get going with those. I just took my last trip to the townhouse for now. Met with the cleaner who's gonna start cleaning it tomorrow. I ran out the door without putting makeup on because I was gonna get my eyebrows done and then do my makeup in the car and then go to my showings. And you know what? Guess what? I forgot to bring my makeup. So that feels weird. They look so bad. This is so bad. And update. That is so much better. So much better. I mean, not wearing makeup, it's not the end of the world, but I feel like it makes me look like I didn't get ready this morning, which then I feel like makes it feel like, oh, your time isn't worthy of me presenting myself in my best way. Off to Mercer Island we go. It's moving day officially. Road trip starts now. I have Cowboy and Lily. I just left Jason's parents' house. I grabbed some Starbucks and it's like a 30-minute drive. I got an extra hot latte for Shelby. I figured since I'm up and at it, I should get her coffee, so I'm gonna surprise her. I didn't tell her about it, so let's give it to her. Good morning, miss.
Oh my God, thanks.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Good job. Good job, sweetie.
All right.
Tesla stop number 2. We hit the jackpot with this one. There's a Panera
And a Starbucks.
and a Target and a Red Lobster. I need to go into Target and get the dogs a dog bowl.
Oh.
Yeah, Here we go, found some. These actually this looks pretty nice. We're at our third Tesla stop. Shelby went inside Target. While she was outside Target, I had the dogs, and this old man on his motorized wheelchair comes out. And he's like, oh, is that your little family? And I was like, yep. And then he like kind of scoots past me, stops, and he hands me this.
Huh?
He hands me this and he goes,
What?
Here you go. You can have this. Just throw it away when you're done. I wanted to give you a photo of...
What?
A photo of me and my toy poodle.
What? Oh my God.
There he is. So I'm thinking, like, why would he do this out of the kindness of his heart? You know?
It's
Give me...
a religious thing?
Yes, he had an ulterior motive. There's a thing about God in here. I thought that was really funny, and I'm literally gonna keep the photo of him and his toy poodle. Onward we go. We have 5.5 more driving time hours. He's actually going crazy. Lily, what are you doing?
Oh, okay.
All right, we made it. Left it. Oh, hi. I left at like 7 and we got here at 7:30. So long day, definitely a long day, but it didn't feel too long. Good job, Cal. Good job, Lily. Another great stay at the Sheraton in Redding. Okay, this is the first time I've been here and it's not freezing cold usually when I do this drive. It's in December or January where we're passing through. So today's October 1st. And guys, I finally get the keys today. I'm so excited. I don't know, I forgot if I mentioned it to you, but actually my parents already picked up the keys from the sellers for us. Don't run away from me. This is our 4th stop so far today. A little backstory here. It should really only be like our 2nd. But unfortunately, last night we got to the hotel. We're like, great, we're gonna get such a good head start tomorrow because there's on-site chargers. This is gonna be awesome. So we plug it in, and then this morning it didn't charge at all. So we got a really early start, but we were bogged down by having to charge for 40 minutes to start. So our early wake up didn't really help us at all. Yeah, that was like, that sucked so much. Show you guys the keys so bad, but apparently you're not supposed to do that because people can like
3D print it?
Yes. Yeah. So I have my key. Okay, the one thing I have been dying to do, just opening up these sliders. We're gonna see how big the couch we ordered is gonna feel, and hopefully it's not too big. Far it goes. It's really big. Oh, it's so big. But I mean, I'm afraid it might be too big, but we can always take it back. I did not even realize that we had a lime tree, but there's so many limes, and honestly, talk about a useful fruit tree to have. This is gonna be pretty awesome. I'm gonna put my desk right here, and it just looks outside. Primary bedroom, and I love that there's a slider. This is like definitely how I'm gonna start every single morning. It's so crazy to finally be here. Okay, I think the couch, it might end up being too big. We'll see. I wish Jason were here. I wish we could experience this moment together. It's a bummer that we can't. He's getting here tomorrow though. That's gonna be perfect because all the furniture will be moved in, so we can like have our first night here together. And it'll be so fun. Oh, I can't wait to get in that hot tub. I know I showed you guys already the house pretty much, but I did leave a little bit of a surprise. I'm gonna show you the neighborhood amenities. It's nothing super crazy huge, but I think it's kind of cool. So let me show you. We got tennis courts. This is so cool because public tennis courts and pickleball courts, they get so packed. And there's a community pool. Honestly, probably won't ever use this because I have my own pool, but it's still nice to have. Okay, we can in fact paint our front door. We have a couple colors to choose from. The drama here, tell the people.
Some dumb shit has been sneaking in and stealing golf carts, like right out from under our noses.
That is crazy. They need to put cameras out here.
They have them on camera, but they haven't.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Oh my. Good morning. Okay, I forgot to grab my camera from my parents' house, but today is moving day, so I'm vlogging it on my phone. I'm so excited. Okay, so here is the living room at the start of today. No furniture in here yet. Now it is time for the sellers actually left us this, which was really nice of them.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh!
Oh, we're home. Let's go.
Let's go.
Am I the only person who can't drink wine if it has this plastic label on it?
Oh, for real?
I can't. Baylor was so good.
Oh, it was really fun. Oh, you know this coffee table. Cheers.
We're home.
All right, guys, I am in the garage, which is where the washer and dryer are. So we just got all our stuff moved in today. I'm actually flying back to Seattle tomorrow. Duty calls. I have a new listing coming on this weekend. You know, I've been getting a lot of questions, and I'll like formally address it. Like, I'm gonna go back and forth to Seattle a lot. Yeah, I've been living out of a suitcase for a week now. Also, a rundown. When we got here, I stayed at my parents' house here. When we moved out of the townhouse, we stayed at Jason's parents' house. I guess a lot of people are asking, like, am I gonna sell the townhouse? Like, that is a question I've been getting so much. I'm so tired and my skin is so dry from being in the desert, and I'm so sweaty. It was like 100 degrees. I went golfing today, which was so fun. So fun. I feel so lucky. I went golfing with my dad and his friend, and it was just so cool. I'm so lucky that I can do this and get to spend so much time with my parents. It's really cool. I bring that up because I stopped at their house and I got a little bit of laundry detergent because we don't have anything yet. Like, we really don't have anything. We ordered pizza tonight. We don't have dishes yet. I really want to become like a super organized lady now because I finally live somewhere where there's so much space. There's so much space. Like I've never experienced this in my life. Never. It was always like apartments, a townhouse, you know? Like this place has so much space. Boom, we got some cabinets up above. We literally have a second fridge, which I think we'll mainly put like water and sparkling water and stuff in. Look at all these shelves too. We were getting questions that were like, where is Baylor? We drove down separately. Me and Shelby drove together. We drove her car because she's living in LA now. And then Jason drove his car all by himself.
I think Baylor, because both of us drive small cars, and he's so big, he's 80 pounds, if you guys didn't know that. And Cowboy is rude and takes up the whole seat, like just sits in the middle of it.
He will take like more than half of the back seat.
Yeah, so Baylor, poor Baylor is just stuck standing up awkwardly over him or just sitting down in the corner as opposed to just with me, he just lays flat the
Did
whole
he have a
time.
much better time?
Oh, way better.
And you know what's crazy? My stomach just dropped thinking about this. I was like, this is so crazy. We've owned this house for like over 4 months. We've never been in this house together.
No.
We never toured it together.
It's crazy.
I toured it, said I liked it. We bought it. He went to the inspection. I wasn't there. So this is like crazy.
I know.
It feels bigger at night. All right, give you guys one last look at the house so far before I head out. This is Shelby's table. Sorry, we have a lot of stuff everywhere. Kitchen, looking good. Our giant couch. We definitely need to add more color. Oh, cow, don't pout. Got some stuff in the bar. I don't know what of this is gonna stay here or go. And no outdoor furniture yet except for the bar cart.